Have you experienced someone trying to impersonate you on Snapchat? Want to let people know that your account is the real you? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to get your account verified on Snapchat. Now let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and go to support.snapchat.com. Select Contact Us. Then tap My Snapchat isn't working. Select Other. Tap Yes. Select My issue is not listed. A form will appear on your screen. Fill in your Snapchat username, email address, phone number, what device you're using Snapchat on, and when you started to have this issue. The most important part of filling out this form is the description, where you'll add all the details about why you want your account verified. Tell Snapchat that you've been impersonated on their platform and people have followed them thinking it was you. Try to make this message as convincing and persuasive as possible, asking to be verified so your followers will know that your account is the official one. Something we've seen recommended to boost the probability that Snapchat will verify you is to add a photo of your ID to prove that you're the real person. Use the Choose File button to attach an image. This will give Snapchat confidence that you are who you claim to be, and they'll be more likely to verify your account. When you're done, tap Send to submit your request. Wait a few days to hear back from Snapchat through email. If your request is approved, your account will be verified. If not, you can always try going through the process again and submitting another request until you're successful. That's all it takes to get your account verified on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.